Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foley Square in Lower Manhattan. Today, Wednesday, June 14th, 2023. We're covering a number of trials here, but first, yesterday, in the midst of the arraignment in Miami and before the speech in Bedminster, in the Carroll versus Trump first case, which is coming after the second case that we wrote about in a book called Trump Trial 1, it was decided that E. Jean Carroll can amend her complaint and include the comments that Trump made in the New Hampshire CNN town hall. So, doubling down, possibly for larger damages. But that's the least of the cases. There's the federal indictment, there's the state indictment, now possibly in federal court, there's Georgia, and we'll be covering it all. In other news, Sam Bankman-Fried, noted crypto fraudster, has a new argument, and it's gathering strength. Bahamas coming through with a court decision saying that there's a legitimate reason for them to be reviewing whether any new charges could be added after he was brought to the U.S. If so, this might be characterized as kind of a screw-up by the prosecutors. The deal they made, which involved essentially allowing him to remain out on bond pending trial, also may now preclude and eliminate the charges of China bribery. Wouldn't be the first time. The China bribery at the UN was not fully pursued by the Department of Justice. That's my belief. That's my belief, and I say it based on maybe they were just afraid of losing on the immunity front, but when the bribe takers skate free, something is wrong. Okay, now the trials involve Mr. Goyal of Goldman Sachs, who allegedly passed information to Niranjan, who today will testify, the cooperator on the grill. In the other case, U.S. versus Garcia, a man charged with killing a man in Ozone Park in 2017. Yesterday, a Latin Kings cooperator on the stand at great length talking about his own rap songs. Amazing. And we have to report it. James Garlick, pro se, got a mistrial. He'll be retrialed in August, but rare pro se win. At the UN, well, no. For once, we'll do this. Anthony Blinken is heading to China. That's fine, but the summary of what he'll raise is rather shameful. It's totally ignoring the takeover of international organizations under this administration's watch, which continue mostly at the UN.